Everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Dentistry. I am Dr. Kanwar. Today I am going to tell you the various subjects which you are going to study in your first year dentistry. In first year of your dentistry, you are going to study the 4 theory subjects and there will be 2 practical classes. In theory subjects, you will be studying your human anatomy, which also includes your embryology and histology, human physiology, biochemistry, oral histology and dental anatomy. Practical classes will include your preclinical prosthodontics and preclinical conservative dentistry. Now, what you are going to study in your anatomy? In a human anatomy, you are going to study how a normal body looks like, its skeletal structures, number of bones and different types of bones. In dentistry, we mainly concentrate more on head and neck anatomy, the muscles, blood supply, nerve supply and also the part of neuroanatomy, brain, spinal cord and how it functions. In embryology, you are going to study how body is formed in an embryo, prenatal development, how fertilization occurs, how fetus is formed and everything that occurs before the birth of the child. In histology, we study the structure of body cells under a microscope, the epithelium and the connective tissue which you cannot see with your eyes. Now comes your next subject is your physiology. In physiology, we learn how a normal human body looks like and how it functions. This helps you to learn the basic functioning of a human body. It includes various systems, your circulatory system, your nervous system, respiratory system, digestive system, skeletal and muscular system. In biochemistry, you will be learning the chemical and metabolic reactions occurring in our body and also the metabolic reactions of fats, vitamins, carbohydrates and minerals. Next is your oral histology and dental anatomy. These are purely dental related subjects. In oral histology, you deal with studying oral structures under a microscope. You study the layers of each teeth, formation of teeth, structure of salivary glands, tongue and also other surrounding structures. In dental anatomy, we study gross dental anatomy of each teeth. That includes the shape of teeth, number of teeth, structure of each teeth, surrounding structures in the oral cavity. There are 2 practical classes, preclinical prosthodontics and conservative. In these practical classes, you will be learning how to handle various dental materials, their physical properties, their chemical reactions and most importantly their mixing time and the setting time and so on. Thank you for watching.